Why do people argue so much when they want the same thing?
Because they listen to reply, not to understand. That difference shapes relationships.
Today, you'll participate in a structured debate.
Perfect. I love winning arguments.
Then today might challenge you.
How?
The goal isn't winning, it's understanding.
I'll speak first and set the tone.
Before you speak, ask.
Ask what?
What the other side actually means.
Our solution is clearly the most efficient. The data confirms it. We're ready.
Efficiency without inclusion creates resistance.
That's not relevant.
Listen.
Can you explain what you mean by resistance?
Sure, it's about how things oppose change or movement.
People reject systems they feel excluded from. So the problem isn't speed, it's trust.
Now you're listening.
We propose efficiency with participation. Systems work best when people feel heard.
And the screens are changing to show that.
That's a meaningful adjustment. I didn't win the debate. What did you gain? Perspective.
That's a higher prize.
Listening doesn't mean agreement. It means respect.
And respect creates solutions.
Not arguments. Before I answer, can you clarify your point?
Sure, I meant how does that equation balance?
How's our project coming along? Sure. Progress. So you're saying the risk isn't technical, it's emotional. Exactly. Got it. Continue. Listening feels slower.
It saves time later. Understanding prevents repair.
How do you listen without interrupting?
By remembering that silence holds information.
That's deep.
It's practical.
Today, I learned that talking isn't communication.
Understanding is.
And understanding begins with listening. Next debate, I'll listen first. Next debate, I'll listen first.
That's leadership.
That's growth. We have a major group project. The best team gets national recognition.
That means pressure.
And pressure reveals leadership. Design a smart solution for clean energy in urban spaces. Wow, like this model? It's rotating. Let's build the most advanced system possible.
Let's build the most practical one.
Everyone talk at once. We'll sort it out.
That's not a strategy.
It's energy.
It's chaos.
Why isn't this working?
Because no one understands their role. I assign tasks.
You announce tasks. That's different. I told everyone what to do, but nothing worked. Did you invite ideas?
Not really.
Leadership isn't control. It's coordination.
First, we listen. Then we assign.
That feels slower.
It's faster than fixing mistakes.
Before we plan, I want to hear everyone's ideas.
Really?
Yes, all of them.
Notice the difference?
Oh, yeah, good catch. People work better when they feel heard.
Exactly.
What if we're too late?
Progress beats panic.
I'll try to believe that. It works.
We worked.
Big difference. Our solution combines efficiency and accessibility.
Because energy should empower everyone.
This project succeeded because of teamwork. And listening.
And trust.
I'm proud of your growth. I learned leadership isn't loud.
It's clear.
Real leaders create space for others. Not noise.
Not pressure.
Next time, I'll lead differently.
Better. Wiser.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment.
Thank you for watching.
This is the end of episode 3. Next episode is coming soon.
Bye-bye.